Problem 11. F of x is equal to x squared minus 2 all over 2x plus 9. It wants to know what is the domain. In other words, which x's are able to be used? Well, I can plug in anything here almost and get a solution, get an answer. I plug in 1, I would get, 1 minus 2, negative 1 over 11. So I'd get a solution of 1/11th, or negative 1/11th. The question is, what can't x be? Well, you and I know with a fraction there's a restriction. This bottom piece, doesn't matter about the top, don't care, it'll come out whatever. But the bottom piece cannot come out to be 0. So you and I have to say, hey, x can be anything except, what can't it be? What's going to create a 0 down here in the bottom? So all I got to do is solve this equation. So I subtract 9 from both sides. 2x cannot come out to be a negative 9 because basically if this 2x is a negative 9 plus 9 will give us a 0, and we can't have that happen. Well, let's take it a little further. Let's solve it for the x value. X can't be negative 9/2, better known as negative 4 1/2. 2 times negative 4 1/2 is going to be negative 9. Negative 9 plus 9 is going to give me a 0, and we can't have that happen. This is the one value we cannot allow to happen. So we state the domain is all real numbers except x cannot equal negative 4 1/2. That's the way I like you to write it. So do it that way for me, please. We'll learn some other ways probably, but that's just the easiest way for you guys. It's going to be everybody works except x cannot be this negative 4 1/2, because if you do get that value and you try to plug it in, you're going to get a 0 in the bottom of a fraction, and we know that isn't allowed because you cannot put things in groups of nothing.